Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, please do wait to subscribe and like and comment. And for those of you who have subscribed before, thank you very much. And please hit on the notification button and please comment, like, engage. I love you. Thank you. Share this video. Today we'll be doing how to cook groundnut soup. So you can see the groundnut soup. My husband, my wonderful hubby, has already fried the groundnuts, cook meat. So now we are just going to grind the groundnuts. Please come with us, guys. I love you.